The latest updates made to the Yaris full hybrid electric powertrain are central to the model's enhanced appeal, delivering both higher performance and a more engaging and fun-to-drive experience. These qualities are increasingly important to prospective B-segment customers, especially those seeking to downsize their choice of car. With the new Yaris, customers can now choose from 2 hybrid powertrains to suit their needs, while still benefiting from the Yaris class-leading environmental performance. When the 1.5-liter system made its debut, it was praised by media and motorists alike for its exceptional fuel and emissions efficiency, and how it enabled the car to be driven for longer and further in all-electric EV mode. By deploying the transaxle from the latest, 5th generation of Toyota's market-leading hybrid electric technology, it now offers more power, more torque and more rewarding drivability. A new transaxle with a larger and more powerful electric motor generator and revisions to the power control units, PCU, software and hardware raised total system output by 12%, from 116 DIN-HP, 85 kW to 130 DIN-HP and 96 kW. There's a significant hike in torque, too, with the maximum torque of the electrical milligram 2 motor increased by 30% across the total rev band, from 141 Nm to 185 Nm. This translates into a noticeably faster acceleration, not just for the 0 to 100 km/h sprint, but more importantly for nimbler progress at overtaking speeds. Half a second has been taken off the 0 to 100 km/h time, 9.2 seconds, and there's also a reduction when moving from 80 to 120 km/h, 7.5 seconds. These gains have been secured with only a modest upshift in CO2 emissions. The Yaris retains its best-in-class status in this regard, with 96 to 116 g/km.